Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Is your Silhouette Cameo 3 not cutting accurately? Maybe your cuts look slightly off, the lines don't match, or the designs are shifting just a bit. It's super frustrating, especially when you're working on a project and wasting material. Well, in most cases, this happens simply because your machine needs calibration. And the good news is, calibrating the Cameo 3 is actually pretty easy, and you're about to learn the whole process. In this video, I'll walk you through beginner-friendly steps to calibrate the Cameo 3, so your cuts start coming out clean and accurate again. Let's jump right in. First, open the Silhouette Studio app and select the Send option from the top bar. Now, move down on the same screen and right-click on your Cameo 3 machine icon to choose the calibration option. Wait for the next screen to load. It will just take a few seconds. You will see the next page on the canvas. Go ahead and click on the Print Test page in the right panel. It would be good to print several copies of the test page for further use. A small pop-up will open to select the printer you want to print from. So, choose your printer, click on the Preferences option. Now, another pop-up will open. Here, check the printing preferences, select the Print Preview option and click on OK. Once that's done, choose Apply and then Print in the first pop-up. Now, wait for a while and the Print Preview screen will appear. Here, you simply need to click on the Print option. Well done. Now, it's time to move to your selected printer to grab the printed test page. Grab the printed test page from your printer. Then, keep your test page on the mat and load it into your Cameo 3 machine. It's time to return to Silhouette Studio and select the Cut Test Lines option. Now, the machine will start cutting. Once the cut is complete, check the test page for cuts on the mark A, B and 1, 2. With the scale, measure the distance of mark A, B and 1, 2 and adjust it on the Studio app. Now, right-click on Cameo 3 icon and choose Calibration. Take another test page and load it into the machine. After that, you need to use the arrow on the Cameo 3 panel to adjust the blade so it is pointing right to the first cross in the green area on the screen. Once the blades are in correct positions, select Test Print Cut again to initiate cutting. If the cut is perfect, then the calibration is complete. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.